Hey guys, what's up? So today we are on Old Bus 40. So this is a 2002 International Conventional that was recently replaced with one of the 2023s. So I figured I'd do a tour of it since it's back here and it's out of service. Now this bus is the only bus that was back here at the time of the auctions that was not actually listed. So my thought is maybe they're keeping this for parts in case they need it for whatever first gens we have left. So as you can see, you've got the bluish gray seats, which is always nice. That's my favorite seat fabric color for ICs and Amtrans. Now you'll notice all the flooring in here is black. So when I was a senior in high school, this bus had its entire floor replaced. So that's kind of an interesting fact. So moving on up front, we got the asset number, which is 205482, and this bus was at one time 548. As far as I know, that's been the only number it's had other than 40, because that is its actual Laidlaw given asset number. And then here's the gauge cluster. You can see sitting at 247,000 miles. Got our hours. There's our switch panel. Now this bus is interesting in the fact that it has an air door, but it has the older rounded top and bottom windows like what you'd see on a bus with a manual door. So that's pretty interesting. Moving on outside, you can see where this door maybe was replaced at some point. Got the international emblem or logo up there. Looks like this fender extension either was replaced or repainted. They did not put a number here. When they numbered this bus 40, they put the number here, and you should be able to see the shadow of 548 on the hood. There's the ID number. It's getting to the point where we have this bus is literally the last 07300 bus up until you hit 07313, so that's interesting. There's the grill, international emblem. Obviously you got your school bus signs, and then over here you have another example of the shadow, so that's where the 5 is, and then the 4 is from the original number, and then 8 would be behind the 0, so 548. I do not have actually any memories of this bus as 548, so I don't know, but inspection stickers are gone. I don't see, I'm sure there's probably shadows, but I don't see them at this point in time. You can see where they put the school name in. Like this all looks pretty good down here from where it got redone. And then last school year, this bus got a second gen rear bumper. So, you know, we had to get on the fad for that. But there's the back, got their ID number, American Transportation Corporation decal, 40. And there's the other side. So yeah, that's 40. I don't know how much longer it'll be here, but it's here right now, so I figured why not do a little tour of it, since I didn't get to tour a lot of the other first gens that just left. So yeah, there's the international logo, and as you can hear, something's going on out there. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and yeah.